Hey, it's your boy Joey. Don't mind the noise. That's the normal, Fun Trip Garage. Driveway talk. We'll be going inside in a minute. Should probably hold this up. I gotta get better at this. It's been a while again. I'm gonna give you all my excuses. I think they're reasons. Doesn't make it right or wrong. But I'm gonna work on it. As you can tell, it's definitely not warm anymore. It's like 60 degrees. That's cold for me. I don't know what that is in Celsius. I need to start preparing better. But whatever. So, the big thing that happened, there's two. Frankie, Mikey's little brother, got feline leukemia, which is super duper spreadable. Thankfully, Mike doesn't have it, but Frankie went away. He's in a group home with other cats that have it, so he doesn't infect other cats. Blah, 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 blah. And then Mikey has feline HIV. I don't know if I talked about it, but he started acting funny for a little while. I think he's getting old. He's like 10 years old now, 11 years old. And we had two really, really big thunderstorms. And they freaked him out, and he didn't like being on the floor, like being on the concrete here, in the grass, on a table or the couch was fine, but being on the floor of the camper, being on the floor in the house, nothing. I don't know why Google Ho's talking to me, but whatever. Yeah, so I was stressed out about that, so I didn't do anything. And I went on a dune trip. It was raining, so didn't get much footage of that. We'll talk about that in a minute. But the other big thing was I quit my job, and I just kind of really spaced out and stopped caring. I got some stuff done, but I've just been trying to relax. That's a bummer. But I don't care that much. Anyway, so the dune trip, you can see a lot of sand in here. Definitely got to clean it. There's sand even in the gauge cluster. Like, I think, yeah, you can just barely see it there. This tire went flat again. I don't know why. And then we sucked air into the air filter. Like, not air, water. Oh. Well, that's not right. Something happened. It's never been off that much. It looks like somebody hit me, but that's impossible. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's really, really weird. Anyways, so yeah, all my valves and cylinders should be steam cleaned perfectly now. I still have an issue with the torque converter, but it's only when it's trying to do some exhaust braking. So if I max it out, manual 6 gear, it'll hold 6 gear all the way down until it's time to switch into the new gear. I think I told you about the lights already. I do have this project. It was free. A tanning bed. Oh yeah, I forgot Sydney was staying with me for a little while. She might be moving in. We're talking about it. She's one of my friends that had a drug issue problem. I'm trying to help her get her life back together, stay clean. You know, me and Dad don't really drink, don't do any drugs, don't smoke. So there's that. You know about this, the camera thing. Need to get working on that again before it gets too cold. Let's see, I did a toilet replaced part of the floor. I think we're gonna replace the full floor soon. We bought lumber for that. And then some big things. Oh, Mike, why are you doing that right now? Eating a squirrel. I gotta clean this up again. We got the TV on the wall mount. I've gotta get the shelf built for the center speaker. I did find my missing tubey thing for this, but this is garbage. I'm gonna have to move the plants inside. I'm gonna have to pull the AC out the window. Oh yeah, at some point I installed a dryer. I gotta get the old one out of the house. We're going to scrap that. And there's a bunch more scrap I need to deal with. But you'll notice the fridge is here and the computer's not there. We finally moved the computer down here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna chop this camper down or what I'm gonna do. But for this winter, I'm gonna pull the desk down and do this better. And we got this chair in here because the table's up so high. So I can have the speakers under there, but really I want them on the wall, I think. I don't know. I like this, but I don't like it. It's just a little bit too high for the chairs I got. But we want to insulate that, get the plastic on it. This stove is gonna go completely. I found a 2-burner propane stove. I think it's like $100. And then I want to get a nicer one of these. This was like $15. So that way I don't have to always use propane. I can use that. I do want to get a different sink, one that's a little bit bigger than this. But for now, this is going to get both moved onto this end. I'm going to build a cat tree around this stuff. This is stuff I got to figure out what to do. It's mostly like things I had blocking the windows and like my winter clothes, my big thick jackets. I'm gonna pull all these wires down. We're gonna put them back under here, and the sink and stove is gonna be somewhere around here. Cat tree here for Mike. This is going to all get, I don't know, probably not touched, if I'm gonna be honest. I hate this thing because it's a wheel well there. It can't go all the way in. You can see there's a ton of wasted space. I want some custom stuff, but if I'm gonna be chopping this down, why would I want to do that now? But then the idea is to turn the couch going this way and then build a little shower area back here, so I don't always got to be going inside. I do start at Amazon next week. I'll be working third shift, 1:20 a.m. to 10 a.m., 11 a.m. I'll get home about noon, I think. I don't know. I forget. Better pay. I like the hours a lot better. And then I'll have 3 days off. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And then most of Saturday off. So I'll have a lot of options to do things. Oh yeah, we did move this over here, which got rid of that one really crappy shelf. And I got all my food in here. I knew that was gonna happen soon. We'll deal with that eventually. But yeah, it's so much better. I do need to get an end on it. I want to get a much better one of those. Much better microwaves, since I realize I use this quite a bit. Have them both mounted up here. And then all of this garbage, I want to build shelves that come out. I want to get rid of these 2 white things. The diesel heater, I want to set up better and make it, and get the aftermarket controller so it'll be run more like a regular heater. Yeah. Oh, I also want to get the sit stand frame for this from Amazon. I think it's only like $100, $120. Not super awful, not awesome, but you know, it'll be cool. Oh, and then I want to rip this out, fill in these gaps, like here and here, to get this all insulated and get this place a lot fucking warmer. It wasn't bad last year, but I want to use less diesel fuel. My whole setup isn't the greatest, and with where I put the camper, because I didn't have help, I can't get underneath really to do the things I want to do. It's a super level now. Fridge is working better, it's quieter, it's easier to get in and out of. It is way too big, so I'm thinking before I do any of the chopping, I'll find a better sized fridge for this. This bugs me. I think that one is tweaked. I don't know. Anyways, find a better sized fridge. I also want to find a little bit bigger of a camper with a couple slide outs, at least one in the bedroom, one for the kitchen area. Yeah. And, oh, it would be sweet to have washer dryer hookups. And then, oh yeah, I wanted to put a bookcase. And this is swung this way. Without this and this here, there'll be enough room to go around it, or I can hop over. Get a bookcase right in this area, because that's all cookbooks. And there's like a million more cookbooks in the house and in the garage. And I just want to have them somewhere so I can pull them out and, you know, start using these cookbooks. Got all these cookie things. A nice knife would be cool too. But things I want to do before it gets cold. Michael! Is get these placed down. At least this area so there's less mud in the camper. But there should be enough to go all the way down and back. Clean up this garbage so it stops setting off that light when the wind blows. Get the camera set up. And then I want to run a line to the water, go underneath. So hopefully it doesn't freeze, and then put styrofoam around. Where is it? Michael! Ah, here it is. So here's where my electricity goes in right now. But have the PEX, there's an adapter you can get that'll go right on there. Go down into the ground. And I'll just dig up, probably along here, then go over, under. And then I want to change it so it goes straight up into the camper. But we'll see. And then wrap that all in foam to insulate it so hopefully it doesn't freeze and I can keep running water this year. Because I'm not going to put in the water tank, at least not yet. I want to shut down the big fish tank and the little one. But we'll see what happens. I do want to get the 30 amp / 50 amp working out here. It does come out right here. It goes in the garage, but there's nothing on the other side. So I'm gonna pull this off. That'll be a video exploring what's going on there. Yeah, we'll see. The awning's been working great. Oh, I gotta fix the tarp. The wind has moved it again, but I expected that. No leaks right now. It's been working well for the most part. When Sydney comes back, I'll have her help me. Oh yeah, I also want to fix the propane. There's been a slow leak, and it's somewhere in this mess. I'll make a video on that too. That insulation goes around the heat pipe that goes to the bedroom. But I think this year is gonna be pretty awesome in here, especially once I get that new heater controller, because this didn't come with any heat source. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, we'll just say peace out. Talk to you later. Sorry it's been so long. Gonna try to get back on track with this stuff. And yeah. Peace.